Before 2022, Ukraine was not the first name that came to mind when discussing top military powers. Now, it's known for an extraordinary army, breakthrough equipment, and a rapidly growing domestic defense industry. This rise, which surprised military analysts and NATO, shows no signs of stopping as their power grows daily. Nowhere is Ukraine's military evolution more evident than in its mastery of unmanned drone warfare. While many nations struggle with drone basics, Ukraine is already light years ahead in their deployment and use. In a short time, Ukraine has become a master of drone technology, setting an example for other nations. How did they achieve this? The simple answer is they had no other choice. Facing relentless Russian drone swarms targeting military and civilian infrastructure, Ukraine had to adapt rapidly to survive. Dozens of defense companies, large and small, began enhancing the nation's drone capabilities with incredible ingenuity. Some modified simple quadcopters for reconnaissance, while others built entirely new drones from the ground up. These efforts accumulated, and today Ukraine is considered the #1 name in drone production and innovation. They not only produce some of the most effective drones, but they also use them for devastating attacks. A recent Bloomberg report revealed Ukraine produces around 4 million unmanned aerial vehicles per year. To put that in perspective, the United States, the world's most advanced military, produces only 100,000 drones annually. And it's not just the quantity. As RAND analyst Michael Bonert notes, Kyiv boasts an incredible diversity of drones. While Russia focuses heavily on Shahed-type drones, Ukraine has opted for a more dynamic and diverse drone fleet. For instance, in the early stages, they utilized Chinese-made MUGIN-5 drones for attacks on Russia's Black Sea Fleet. They have also deployed the UJ-22 Airborne, the jet-powered UJ-25 Skyline, and the long-range UJ-26 Beaver. There are countless other examples of drones, large and small, designed for surveillance, bombing, or kamikaze missions. Ukraine even took drones from the air to the sea, producing versatile uncrewed surface vehicles like the Magura. A Magura famously became the world's first naval drone to shoot down an enemy aircraft, a $50 million Su-30 fighter. This diversity opens up all possibilities, from swarming front lines to striking high-value targets hundreds of miles away. Mastering mass production of varied drones has also opened up exciting commercial opportunities with international partners. Ukrainian drone pioneers like Alexander Rychov are now leading this new phase of military-industrial development. Rychov, an engineer and owner of the drone company TSIR, is one of the first to seek partnerships with NATO. His company is establishing a new tactical drone factory in Finland, a win-win for all parties involved. For Finland, it's a chance to learn from the best, crucial given its long border with Russia. For the Ukrainian company, a factory on NATO territory is invaluable, safe from Kremlin interference. This project is part of a larger plan called Fly Well, an alliance of Ukrainian drone makers. Much of Europe still has a lot to learn about drone warfare. And Ukraine is the ultimate source of knowledge. They regularly fend off Russian attacks, sometimes with over 800 drones crossing the border in a single night. Through its extraordinary air defense, Ukraine consistently downs about 80% of those drones, a staggering success rate. Fortunately, many NATO countries have shown they are ready to learn from Ukraine's hard-won experience. The United Kingdom, for example, recently announced a joint production project with Ukraine for interceptor drones. Codenamed Octopus, the project will soon produce 2,000 drones per month, all shipped directly to Ukraine. Slovakia has also officially partnered with Ukrainian drone manufacturer Skyeton, producer of the Raybird surveillance drone. Skyeton has already raised over €10 million in foreign investment to build a new factory in Slovakia. Denmark has also invested $77 million to help Firepoint, another Ukrainian defense firm, set up operations. As Ukraine's Deputy Prime Minister Mikhailo Fedorov noted, in 2022, Ukraine had 10 drone producers. Now there are 500. When the war ends, these hundreds of companies will likely receive countless offers from around the world.